Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable Touch ID authentication on the Ring app, follow these simple steps to change your security settings. Step 1. Open the Ring app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Step 2. Tap on the 3-line menu icon in the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Account Settings or Control Center, depending on your app version. Step 4. Look for Security or App Settings in the menu options. Step 5. Find the Touch ID or Biometric Authentication option within the security settings. Step 6. Toggle off the switch next to Touch ID to disable the feature. The app will no longer use your fingerprint for authentication. Step 7. You may be prompted to verify this change by entering your Ring account password or using Touch ID one last time. Step 8. Confirm your choice when prompted. The app will now require you to enter your password manually each time you sign in. Step 9. Remember that disabling Touch ID means you'll need to enter your password every time you access the Ring app, which may be less convenient but provides manual control over access. Step 10. To re-enable Touch ID in the future, simply return to these settings and toggle the feature back on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.